welcome to the video and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to be doing an eyeshadow look review, first impressions kind of video using the new Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. I am so excited. We're also going to be showing on camera her Flash palette highlighters, and I'm really excited because even her highlighters are so good. I've been using them and I don't think I've actually played with them on camera yet, so we're going to review it. It's good, okay? We're just going to use it. You guys can see how good it is. We're just going to play with eyeshadow today. So I asked you guys on Instagram, give me some suggestions of the shades that I should pick, because honestly, looking at the palette, I want to use all the shades and it's kind of overwhelming. So I let you guys pick my shades, and yeah, so that's what we're doing. You guys picked my shades out. I have notes, okay? I always have notes. You guys picked the shades No Joke, Not My Journey, My Man, Tipsy Girl, and A Moment. So we're gonna open up the palette, we're gonna look at the shades, we're gonna figure out a look. Honestly, I'm a little scared. Yeah, I just hope it doesn't turn out to be a dumpster fire because I have to go out in public today and ship out all my Poshmark orders and give away winners items. I have announced my Twitter giveaway winner, my Instagram giveaway winner, and now I am here to show you who won the YouTube giveaway. So this is who won the YouTube giveaway. Everybody say congratulations, you won, and I will be in contact with you very soon so I can ship out a giveaway item as soon as possible. So yeah, if you guys are into eyeshadow looks and all of that, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So here we have the Jaclyn Hill palette. I think this packaging is, you know, it's Jaclyn. It's really cute. I like it. I love the white. I love it all. Love it all. And here is her palette. I like this style of font. It really matches kind of like what she's got going on here. I don't know, I just like how everything, even though MORPHE's not her brand, it just kind of all flows cohesively, where you can have either Jaclyn's MORPHE products or Jaclyn's actual products from her brand all sitting on a table and you would think it's all from one brand. So here's the palette, super exciting. And here's the shades inside, and we're going to show you really quick what shades you guys picked, and then we're going to get into the look. I just wanted to show you my Jaclyn Hill original palette, and this is the literal OG palette from her very first launch. You can tell it is dirty. It got very, very used, much love, and yeah, this is my most used palette in my whole entire collection. I have dents in shadows, you guys, dents. They're not panned. There's no pans. I would love an eyeshadow to be panned, but yep, I use the heck out of it and I love this palette. I probably should buy a new one. This one's probably expired. This launched in 2017, but I still used it several times last year. It still worked fine for me. I didn't break out or anything or any green monsters grow off my face, so this one's still a good one. I should probably upgrade to a newer palette though. And we're here to talk about this one. So I think the reason why I picked this palette up is because she did say that this palette was her original formula to this one. So that's why I was excited to play with this one, knowing that it's gonna be the same quality. I don't really like MORPHE's eyeshadow quality. They all seem to just be hit or miss, and mostly miss. So for it to be Jaclyn's quality, I'm very, very excited. I know her Vault collection, I think it was MORPHE's quality. It seemed like it, and that was the thing. I purchased one of hers from the Vault. I just sold it on my Poshmark. I swatched it, but I was just like, you know what? I'm not even gonna try it. We're gonna try this. So let's get to it. Let's rock on and get down to business. So let's get you a little closer. Wow, I look terrible. So anyways, we're going to be using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24 Plus Hour Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. One of my lovely subs, Sarah, she has a YouTube channel as well. She sent me this, very sweet and kind. This I actually really love. I've been using this over my concealer that I always use, and eyeshadow really sticks and has worked a whole lot better with this, so we shall see. So I'm going to prime my eyes. Probably should use a brush when I do this, but you know what? It's whatever. Okay, so now I'm going to find the shades in this palette, swatch them on my hand, and see what kind of look that we can create with the shades. So the first one's No Joke, and this one is this yellow shade. You guys, this was the most voted shade, was this yellow shade. So I'm gonna swatch it, and we're gonna put it side by side with the rest, and think of a look. Here's the yellow shade. Sorry about my hands, I have a cat. Then we have Not My Journey. Oh, this purple shade right here. Y'all know purple's out of my comfort zone. Here it is. My Man, I know where that one is. I thought that shade was so pretty. Oh, I should probably show you. It's this one. Then we have Tipsy Girl, which is this pink one here. And then we have A Moment, which is this other purple shade. So I'm gonna have to play with a lot of purple today, aren't I? So here's the shade, and here is A Moment. So these are the shades that I have to use to create an eye look with. I think these all really go together. I look like a feathery bird. What was it that Nikki Tutorial said? I forget what she said, but it does remind me of a bird for these shades here. So yeah, we're gonna do something with these shades, and I'm pretty excited to look like a bird. That was really lame. I'm so sorry. So I think for this look, I'm gonna use some tape, and I have the wrong kind of tape. I have the gifting tape, so hopefully this doesn't like turn out really bad, but we're gonna use this tape. I think that's about even. I hope so. If not, we can figure it out. Anyways, I'm gonna take this already stained brush that I had yellow on a while ago, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with My Man. I think we're gonna go, no, do we want to do that? No, that's not what we're gonna do. I have an idea. We're gonna go in with, well, do we want to do shimmer pink orange or shimmer orange pink? Shimmer pink orange, that's what we're gonna do. Shimmer pink orange, no. Yellow, no. Yellow orange, no. I don't know, this is really hard. Okay, I have a plan, I have an idea. We are gonna take the yellow first, and we're going to put that all over my, you know, crease area and whatnot. I'm not gonna make this like a tutorial type video, just kind of like watch me, and that's what we're doing, because I don't want to make this a tutorial. I'm just gonna do the eyeshadow look. You guys can see it. I think that's good. So now that we have the yellow down, I want to take the shade My Man and kind of put it underneath that, out in the outer corner. Okay, so now that I'm done with My Man, I'm going to take Tipsy Girl and add it in my inner corner. Whoa, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to take A Moment and add it in my inner corner over the pink some. Very pretty. Okay, now it's time for the lower lash line. I'm going to take this tape off. Wish me luck. God, I'm going to like peel my face off. Wouldn't that be lovely? Cute. Maybe this tape works better because I'm not seeing any crazy lines. Why does that happen to me every time? I'm gonna pop on a little bit of some Jeffree Star concealer to kind of conceal this darkness right here. I think I just need to overall like conceal. I don't think this is working very well. We're good, we're done. Let's do the lower lash line now. So the last shade that I have to use is Not My Journey, and I'm going to add that to my lower lash line. Oh my god, I'm done. Here's the look. Okay, I'm actually really excited about this, like a lot. I think I'm gonna go in really quick and like fix a few things that have kind of smudged. Let me just do that really quick. I'm gonna take the yellow and just kind of buff a little bit so we can bring the yellow back out to action. I'm gonna add some of a moment on this brush so I can really get it in there and get it like nice and like, you know, perfect. I don't know. I want to add a little bit more of Tipsy Girl to the orange to bring out the pink a little bit more. Perfect. And then I want to add a little bit more of My Man to brighten up the orange a little bit more. And there you have it. I am a tropical bird. So now really quick off camera, I'm going to do the eyeballs completed and we'll get to the Jaclyn Hill highlighters. So I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the completed look with the mascara and the eyeliner. What are your thoughts, your opinions, your feedback, your comments? Leave it down below in the comments. I think this look would be a lot more like voluptuous if I had like, why is the lighting changing on me? I feel like this look would be a lot more voluptuous. Is that a word? I think so. If I had fake eyelashes on, but you know what? Not everyone uses fake eyelashes. I'm not very good at them, and I like this very user-friendly mascara, so that's what we did today. But I do think that lashes would really make this like really come at you, you know what I mean? But now we are on to the highlighter portion of the video. So here's two of the highlights that I have, her Flash palette and her little loose glow highlighter in the shade Extra. This one is poppin', you guys. It is poppin'. Poppin'. Okay, just wanted to say that. But we're going to be using the Flash palette today. Very, very pretty. Love it. I've used every single shade on my cheeks, my everything, and they all work perfect for my skin tone and no dark cast whatsoever. And if you ever feel like, wow, some of these will give me a dark cast, you can use these just to highlight your nose and you're good. But the rest, all of it, just all of it in general, very good. So I'm gonna take this shade here, Gleam, and I am just going to start highlighting and showing you guys how good it is. I don't see none. Ba-bam. I know you can't really like tell because I have no lighting over here. Hold on, let me get you going on this side. There you go. Definitely very blinding and all of that. Wow, these lines are actually really harsh. They look good when you're doing this, but not when you're doing that. Whatever. Anyways, let's highlight the nose. I know some of you guys hate when I do that. My mother hates when I highlight the nose. We gotta get your spaghetti grease down here. And I always do the bridge because I love highlighter. And I'm okay with that. And I know you guys don't like shiny being, you know, gleamed out with a shiny nose, but I love it, okay? Anyways, this is the finished everything. I'm so excited. I have no complaints about the palette. I used these colors only, so far with these colors, I barely had fallout, but I tapped my brush really nicely and good, so I guess that's why. And I wasn't really doing a lot of blending for shadow to fall on my face. I was mostly just doing little strokes, so that's my opinion on that. And I think these shadows really blended very well, and they all blended really well together. So I have high hopes for all the rest of the colors. I can't wait to keep playing with the palette. I might even make another video because I just want to keep playing with the palette. Honestly, I do. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, so much for your support, and yeah, thank you guys for being here, watching this little eye look. If you have the palette, let me know in the comments down below, what are your favorite shades? Are you planning on getting the palette? Are you gonna get the palette after watching me play with it? Let me know all of that down below. I would love to hear about it and talk about it. We love to talk about makeup on this channel, so let's do it. That's all I have to say. So if you guys loved it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!